hate the 4th of July. That's so stupid, shooting fireworks. That was my impression of Oscar the Grouch. It was awful. It was awful. I'm off. So yeah, it is in fact June the 22nd. It is not June the 4th by any means. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see me, but I'm just gonna talk anyways. But yeah, so me and all my friends, we're not gonna be here during the 4th of July. I'll be on a trip to somewhere, and I got some friends going to church camp and some friends going to the lake and stuff. So I won't be here during the 4th of July, and we won't all be able to get together and shoot fireworks. So we're shooting them tonight, and I'll film some and whatnot. But anyways, yeah. We took the carpet up in my room. See? Yeah. We're gonna put down hardwood. It's a mess too. I got comic books. I'm such a nerd. Comic books. Hey you guys, we're gonna shoot us some fireworks. Yep, we're about to go shoot some fireworks. It is approximately 10:45, and I've got, don't tell my parentals this, but I was only gonna spend 20, and I ended up spending $35 on fireworks. The biggest redneck fun you can ever have. But yeah, so got fireworks and we're about to go shoot them. So see you in a second.
Both of y'all.
No, okay, go.
It's in my neck.
We can do a hair.
Expelliarmus.
Expecto.
I'm the Statue of Liberty.
Oh, it's green. It's green. Oh, it hit my leg. Fireworks. That's an S, really fast. A 3. That's an 8. It's an 8. Oh, it went out.
Yo, it's like I said, open some grabs, and I'm gonna have like.
We're gonna light one of these.
Run!
Hey, Spencer can light one, and you can light one. Then they both.
Oh, that one's nice.
Hey, Spencer, come here. You're gonna light one.
Hold on. Oh, it's over? What a piece of junk.
What is that?
Roman candle.
Oh Lord, where is it at?
Whoa.
That was an epic failure.
You're an epic failure.
Mom's an epic failure.
Your mom is his mom.
Your wife is an epic failure. Oh. Hope she's on that.
Whoa.
Watch where you're pointing them suckers.
Okay, I think that's all.
Wait, what is that? A Roman candle?
No, it's one of them.
Backwards?
Go jump over it. Please, somebody just go jump over it.
You go jump over it.
I don't got your mom.
Oh, they're shooting out. Run. Who wants to jump over it now? Okay, this isn't supposed to shoot 100 of them.
Run! Run! Oh, I tripped over something.
Oh, another one, a piece of crap. Oh, that's nice. That's fancy.
That's fancy, huh?
That's stupid. Go kick it over.
I thought it was 100. That was not 100.
That was 75.
He's using a light.
You ready?
He's just gonna light way faster.
I'll try to. Ah, it burns.
No, wait a minute. Wait, let him get his first.
Shoot fire.
Wait a minute. Just wait.
Yeah, no, I'm waiting.
There we go.
I missed it! I didn't light mine!
You can light yours while I'm getting another one out of the box.
Ow! Ah, the smoke burns. I can't see nothing. I'm gonna get trampled by deer in a sec. Where'd it go? Okay. Ah!
He's gonna use his lighter this time. Wait a minute. Come on. Get set. Go.
Mine is not lighting. I didn't do it again. So I do it at the same time. Ready?
1,
2, 3.
Ah, it's burning me. Stop.
Ah! Okay. Ready? You gotta turn to the other side of it. Ready, set, go.
Go. Get it. Get it, wait.
Run!
Alright, Spencer, get another one.
Ready?
2, 3. Come on, Weaver.
This lighter don't even work.
Stop.
Oh, it burned my finger! Ah! Oh, that hurt! We're gonna light sideways. You gotta run.
I don't want one of them lighter sticks for this, so I can get out of the. You got one with you?
Oh, the lighter stick.
Yeah.
And then just so the night, like a fire.
I'm scared. I thought you scared up.
Cause baby, you're a firework. Okay, this is like really. I'm trying to give you theme music.
Run!
Oh. Yeah.
That was awesome. Ah! Run! Oh! There's gonna be a fire in the field.
That's the last Roman candle.
What? Don't point it towards us.
Cause baby, you're a firework. I was gonna try and hit it like right when it came out. Oh, that one. Oh, dang! Spencer, really? I'm not getting.
You're not getting the.
Gosh,
There's the reason that's not showing up in the video, Dip.